Good morning. I'm in the garden this morning and I'm getting ready to pick the plum tree. It's time. I had some this morning, a couple for breakfast, and they're so good. Look at all those. Oh my gosh. They're just everywhere. Just clumps of them. What's awesome about having chickens? Anything that has gone bad or plums that have been picked by the birds, they'll go straight to the chickens and they go gaga over them. There's nothing like fresh grown vegetables and fruits out of your yard that's organic and you know exactly the way they've been treated and handled, and much healthier for your family. Quite a lot just from a few branches. Wow. And I'm starting to get quite a few on the ground now that need to go to the chickens, so I'm going to collect those and give them a treat. These are the things I'm looking for. There is a little pinhole right there. See that little tiny pinhole spot? Something has burrowed in there and I'm not willing to find out what it is. And then we've got some that are just kind of rotting because birds bit into it, and well, they don't seem to like to finish their meals. They just like to bite on one and go to another. So that's what's going to the chickens at this moment. I'm sure there'll be more when I get done. I may have to save them for later in the fridge for them. All right, we'll give the chickens some treats. Hey, girls. Where's Niles? I hear him coming. Girls better look good. Here comes your handsome man. All right, come on, let's go over here. Take it over here. I just made their shade, so we're going to make use of it. Watch out, girls. Put them in their bowl that I like to put stuff. There you go. All right, enjoy, guys. Get some healthiness for them, too. Hear those birds? I think they're mad because I'm under here taking the fruit from them. Some of these are little puny ones, but they're still good. That's a nice one. Uh-oh, one got away. That's a pretty good collection right there. I'm almost to the top of this basket. Basket is pretty big. It's about almost 2 feet in diameter and about 1 foot deep. And I've barely gotten maybe 1/3 of the tree, maybe not quite 1/3. So it's gonna be a pretty good harvest. All right, you guys, I'm taking a shade break again. Got one of my plums, gave it a little washing. It's kind of crunchy ever so slightly still. But it still has some nice sweetness about it. Grow your own food, it's worth it.